From Life Church Fishers Campus.
Make way! The doctor is in.
Who are Dr. Sniff? Oh my gosh. What are you doing?
Oh, how can we help you?
We? Who's we?
My assistant and I. Oh, wait. No, she's talking to me. Oh, well, because I have ears. Oh, you do? Where? That's your belly button.
Hello, Dr. Sniffs.
Oh, well, you're interrupting us.
You're interrupting our church.
And who's us? My assistant and I.
Assistant? This is a pool noodle.
And your point?
How can it possibly be an assistant?
I'll have you know that this is a very respected member of the medical profession. It graduated from 3rd grade.
3rd grade? That's not very impressive.
It is if you're a pool noodle. How many other pool noodles do you know who graduated from any grade?
Well, I guess none.
Exactly. So, show some respect. It could save your life one day.
Saved my life? How could it save? Ow! What was that for?
You had a mosquito. See? Saved your life.
Oh my gosh, can you please get out of here so we can get back to our
Oh my goodness, you sound dangerously close to getting mad and doing something you'll regret. You don't want to do that. Sin has a high price, you know. I mean, that is what you guys are talking about, right?
Well, yeah. How did you know that?
Okay, good. Because you don't need me to tell you how dangerous sin can be. If you even come close to sinning, you need to stop. Don't even try to come close. That's just setting yourself up for failure. But I'm sure you were about to tell them all of that.
Well, yeah, I mean...
Good point, Dr. Noodle.
Oh my gosh. His name is Dr. Noodle?
Well, yes, of course. Dr. Noodle wanted everyone to know to do whatever it takes to stay away from sin. Don't worry about embarrassing yourself or about what others think. If you think you're close to sinning, get out of there!
That's a really good point. And when we're about to talk about...
Oh, yes. Dr. Noodle, you are right. It is so time for lunch. Oh, anywhere is fine with me. Well, except there. Oh, well, because you know I'm allergic to giraffes. Okay, well, goodbye, kids. Oh, so that's your face. I thought that was weird. Okay, doctor's out.
All right, bye. Don't forget to tune in to this week's lesson on YouTube at Life Church Kids IN. See you later.